Hey guys, in the following minutes I will show you the quickest way I know to solve this problem. So, let's begin.
Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo treats and prevents dandruff and its symptoms such as dry, flaky, red and itchy scalp. Dermatologically tested and fragrance-free. For healthier scalp. Up to 3 months of treatment. How to use: 1. Wet hair. 2. Apply a small amount to scalp. Work into a lather. 3. For best results, leave on scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo not only treats and prevents dandruff, but also the inflammation associated with dandruff, relieving scalp redness and itching. Its targeted action specifically treats the underlying cause of dandruff, yet it is pleasantly gentle to your hair and odor-free. Click the link in the description to get Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo today at the best price.
Please call us or click the link below. We look forward to being of service to you.